Guys, so this is going to be a quick little video. I'm just showing you guys how I transformed this part on this like full cap wig, which these wigs don't have any lace basically, so it's like harder for the part to look natural, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to show you guys how I got this to look like it was a lace front. So for this you're going to need some tweezers. Tweezers are optional. I ended up using my hands after this because the tweezers kind of it took longer than what it would take for me using my hands just to hand pluck it. So I'm just taking some water and spraying the part, because when I spray my parts it makes it much easier to pull the hairs off. It's not as like dry and brittle, so you don't feel like you're gonna just pop a hole in the lace. So basically I'm just starting off and plucking some of the part. So like I said, I eventually switched over to hand plucking. It went a lot faster than using the tweezers, but it just goes by your preference. I do want to know, when you are doing the hand plucking, if you decide to pull maybe 3 strands at the most together, and make sure that you do not pluck your part too wide. I did kind of feel like I plucked mine a little too wide, but at the end of the day it still looked good and I was satisfied. So just take your time, it's not a rush. But yes, this unit did kind of shed a lot when I was plucking, but that is fine. Just some words of advice when you are hand plucking. I would recommend to have a comb, so you can your part can be as precise as you'd like it to be. With a comb you can basically part where you want to pluck from, and then whatever you part, you just slowly pluck until that line is plucked away, if that makes any sense at all. But yeah, it's literally just like, it's a plucking game. You literally is plucking to get this part to look natural, because this part was very small. As you guys can see from the beginning of the clip, I was kind of scared. I'm like, okay, what do I do now? Because this is very skinny, and when you're working with skinny parts, you got to put in some work to make them look natural. So that is what I did, and it did turn out right. So I was greatly satisfied. Well, honestly, the rest of this time I'm not going to keep talking, but it's literally, you're just going to keep plucking until you have the desired look that you want your part to be. And then we move on to the next step, which is cutting away the demarcation line in the full cap. So once we get to that part, I will be back running my mouth. Okay guys, so here is the fun part. So I'm going to try to put this in words the best way that I can possible. So what you're going to do is literally cut like a V or a U shape, a tiny V or a tiny U with your scissors into the front, so you can cut away that big bulk that comes when you have a full cap unit. I wish I would have zoomed in a little bit better, but as you guys can see, I'm literally just cutting away that ugly bulk. I hate that bulk so much. It's so ugly, like ugh. Y'all already know that I use my Black Radiance light to medium contour palette, because it is literally like the same color as my skin, so it blends very good with my parts. And basically I'm just placing that in the part with a small brush. I just want to say that this whole process took a total of like 15 minutes. It doesn't take long at all, but I'm just showing you guys the parts, and I think it looks phenomenal compared to what I showed at first. That is it, my babies. So literally I am going to throw in a before and after. Also, I just want to say that I did do a review on this unit, and it is going to be in the description. We'll see you all in the next video.